California boasts a wealth of delicious and healthy foods, thanks to its fertile land, diverse cultures, and focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Here's a breakdown of some of the most tempting and good-for-you options. California strawberries, sweet, juicy, and bursting with vitamin C, these berries are a California classic. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or baked into healthy treats. Avocados, this creamy fruit, rich in healthy fats and potassium, is a California staple. Enjoy them sliced on toast, mashed into guacamole, or blended into smoothies. Citrus fruits, California sunshine produces some of the best oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes in the country. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they're a refreshing and healthy snack. Dates, grown in the Coachella Valley, these naturally sweet fruits provide a good source of fiber and energy. Enjoy them on their own or incorporate them into trail mix or granola bars. Almonds and walnuts, California is a leading producer of these healthy nuts, rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Snack on them raw, roasted, or blended into nut butter. Dungeness crab, this seasonal delicacy, harvested off the California coast, is known for its sweet, succulent meat. Enjoy it whole or cracked open for a delicious seafood feast. Salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, California salmon is a heart-healthy and delicious option. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or smoked. Tuna, a sustainable and readily available source of lean protein, tuna is a versatile choice for salads, poke bowls, or sandwiches. California sushi rolls, packed with fresh vegetables like avocado, cucumber, and sometimes even mango, these California rolls are a lighter and healthier take on traditional sushi. Fish tacos, a staple of Baja California cuisine, these tacos feature grilled or fried fish with fresh toppings like cabbage, salsa, and avocado. Opt for corn tortillas and leaner fish options for a healthier version. Poke bowls, these Hawaiian-inspired bowls typically feature diced raw fish like tuna or salmon over rice, with a variety of fresh vegetables and a flavorful sauce. Opt for brown rice and customize your toppings for a balanced and delicious meal. Acai bowls, acai berries, high in antioxidants, are blended with fruit and other healthy ingredients to create a refreshing and nutritious bowl. Top it with granola, chia seeds, or nut butter for added protein and fiber. Local honey, California produces a variety of delicious honeys, perfect for sweetening yogurt, oatmeal, or tea. Choose raw honey for the most health benefits. Dried fruit, California sunshine provides naturally dried fruits like raisins, apricots, and figs, offering a concentrated source of vitamins and fiber. Choose unsweetened varieties for a healthier option. Remember, even healthy foods can be enjoyed in moderation. Portion control and mindful eating are key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures that nourish your mind, body, and soul. See you soon.